Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to use Spotify mod app in 2025 and it's not working, you are definitely not alone. A lot of people are actually running into this same issue, and in this video I'm going to explain why it happens and what you can actually do about it. So let's get started. So here's the deal. Spotify constantly updates its app, and whenever there is an update on Spotify app, the mod app is going to automatically stop working. So that is why you might be seeing errors like app not opening, login not working, or playback restricted. So this is actually the reason why those mod apps actually stop working. These mod apps actually try to unlock the premium features of Spotify for free, but because Spotify server verifies accounts and app versions, the modified file eventually gets detected and blocked. That is why it's work for some time and gets broken, especially in this 2025. Unfortunately, there is actually no permanent way to actually fix the mod app because they keep getting shut down once there's an update on the Spotify app itself. There's actually no 100% working solution that is actually going to solve that problem. So this other safe alternative you can actually use. If you don't want to actually pay, you could actually try some official alternatives like YouTube Music, Denza's free plan, or SoundCloud. They actually save legal and won't get randomly blocked like mod apps actually do. So the best way you can actually fix Spotify mod app not working is by going pro, by subscribing to Spotify Pro in order for you to actually enjoy the pro feature legally. So that is how you can actually fix this problem, by using Spotify with the free version, or by subscribing to their pro version, or by using other alternative app like YouTube Music. So these are the ways you can actually fix this problem. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.